Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. Today I am discussing class 4 New Fresh Way English Grammar lesson number 3 Nouns. So in the previous video I had discussed common and proper nouns and exercises of this. Up till exercise 13 we had discussed. In today's video we shall discuss collective nouns. Collective and material nouns both. So look at the following sentences. Our class consists of 40 students. There are 11 players in a cricket team. He offered me a bunch of flowers. The word class stands for collection of students. The word team stands for a collection of players. Yes, it is true. We all know class means collection of students where so many students study. Team means where so many players are together. The word bunch means a collection of flowers, and also bunch can be used for anything like bunch of keys, bunch of grapes, bunch of banana flowers, etc. Right? So all these words, class, team, bunch, they all are collective nouns. Then what is the definition of collective noun? You can see in this pink box. A collective noun is the name of a group of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. So what is collective noun? It is the name of a group of persons. Like collectively, what do we call to a group or things taken together? They are known as collective nouns. Collective noun in phrases. The italicized words are collective nouns in the following phrases. So these all are the examples of collective nouns. You all can read this. A herd of deer, cows or cattle, a shoal of fish, a flock of sheep or birds, a sheaf of grain, a sheaf of arrows, a pack of wolves, a regiment of soldiers, a pair of shoes, a flight of steps, a bunch of keys. Okay, so like this, all these examples are there. You can read them. A range of mountains, a gang of thieves. Fine. So based on this, we have exercise 14. Underline the collective nouns in the following sentences. We have to underline the collective nouns. First is the Indian army is very strong. So obviously army will be collective noun. They are expecting a group of visitors. Group will be collective noun. A team of doctors has arrived. So what will be the collective noun? Team. We saw a herd of cows in the field. Herd. There are people in the street. People. I gave the child a bunch of grapes. So bunch will be the collective noun. The crowd was very noisy. Crowd. I have a whole library of books. So whole is the collective noun here. The police were trying to control the mob. So mob is the collective noun. Our class will go for a picnic tomorrow. Class. Okay, then we have exercise 15. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. We have to fill the blanks with suitable collective nouns. First is a dash of stones. It will be a heap of stones. A litter of puppies. A grove of trees. A flight of steps. A pair of shoes. A bundle of hay. A sheaf of arrows. A shoal of fish. A group of islands, a pack of wolves. Okay. Then we have exercise 16. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. Take words from the list below. So we are given a box. We have to take the help of them, and according to this box we have to see where will these collective nouns fit. Okay. We have to fill them in the correct place. First is the boy looked after the dash of sheep, after the flock of sheep. The dash listened to him attentively. Audience. Audience listens to a public speaker, na? Third is the principal appointed a dash committee of 3 members. So committee of 3 members. Our team has won the match. A swarm of bees attacked the boy. The farmer was driving a herd of cattle. A gang of thieves entered the village at night. A bunch of keys is lying on the table. The fleet of sheep was destroyed. The class is studying English grammar. So after this, we have material nouns. Read the following sentences. He likes cotton, not nylon. My sweater is made of pure wool. I drink milk in the morning. Gold is dearer than silver. The italicized words show the material or substance of which things are made. They are called material nouns. So what are these all? Cotton, nylon, wool, milk, gold, silver. These all are materials or substances of which things are made. So they are all examples of material nouns. What is the definition? A material noun is the name of a material or substance of which things are made. I'm sure this is already clear to you. The name of the material or substances, they all come under the category of material nouns. Based on this, we have exercise 17. Write C for common nouns and M for material nouns. So grass is material noun. Ink is also material noun. Garden is common noun, because garden can be any garden, na? We don't know which garden are we talking about. Dust is also common. Dust can be anywhere. Iron is material noun. Chair is common noun. Cement is material noun. Building is common noun. Cloth is material noun. Tea is also material noun. Sugar is also material noun. Shirt is common noun. So I hope, children, you are clear with whatever I have taught you in today's video. In the next video, we will discuss abstract nouns. Till then, take care. Bye bye.